Well, good evening. We're tracking the thunderstorms northwest of Omaha right now as they're just getting really developed and into an area of higher humidity. The question will be whether they drop south toward Topeka or slightly more southeast toward Kansas City as they hold together later on this evening. The entire region in an enhanced outlook for that potential, and then as they move farther south, they should weaken a little bit more. Still a slight risk, though, in those areas. But the enhanced risk goes all the way down to I-70 from Lawrence, Topeka to about Fort Riley and Clay Center northward to the state line and beyond. The watch is only out for the northernmost counties for now. Now, if these storms do end up developing and dropping straight through our area, they would extend it. They'll determine which area needs the extension of it later this evening, and if it does. But at this point in time, we've got a sunny sky and a hot day out there from Manhattan to Junction City, as well as in the capital city right now. Partly cloudy and 92. Heat index at 103 as the dew point runs high again in the mid-70s with those southerly breezes at 15 miles per hour. It's 94 degrees at Manhattan and Junction City, 90 for Emporia, Burlington, and Holton. So generally, everyone's hot. And the heat index makes it feel even hotter with most of us in the low 100s. 103 for the heat index Topeka and 105 currently for Junction City. And that's because the dew points are in the 70s. You see the coloring to give you an idea. This is up on the higher end of our muggy scale, and that will be the case for most of the area tomorrow as well. We'll take a look at that on Future Track. Muggy air this evening, fueling any of those storms that come through, and then we recover again in another hot, humid day for Saturday, especially muggy over the eastern half of the area. Watch as the drier air starts to push in, and then when the front pushes through Sunday, where did the green go? Look at that, it's gone. The humidity scoured out by the second half of the week. So if you're tired of all this muggy air, look forward to the daytime on Sunday. Now, there's a catch to that. The cooler weather may, by Saturday evening after the hot afternoon, really get the mosquitoes active during that cool down process. So Saturday in the high category on our skeeter meter. For the heat index this evening and tonight, we cool back into the low 70s and heat up tomorrow, upper 90s to low to mid 100s. A very hot afternoon right ahead of that cold front. And then as the front pushes through, the improvement comes in with 60s in the morning and low 80s for the peak heat index Sunday afternoon. Again, thunderstorms to our north. We have the risk out for severe weather today, enhanced risk over our northern counties. Tomorrow over our eastern counties over toward Illinois as well. So 2 more days tonight and again tomorrow for storm chances for a small window of time each day. As Future Track shows that trend of these storms pushing in during the evening hours and then continuing to drop to the southeast will dry out. And then we wait for the front with a sunny, hot day tomorrow. A very similar day to what we had today. And then here comes that front into the area, and behind it could see a couple of thunderstorms. The models are really backing away on the widespread nature to the storms as we head into the daytime tomorrow. So another sunny day, 73, 96, hot and humid, heat index at or above perhaps 105, and isolated storms as we head into the evening hours as that front pushes through. The north winds return and we cool down a little bit. Look at your 7-day forecast. 96 tomorrow. We've dropped the rain chances down to about a 40% chance for the evening hours as they look to be more hit and miss. Look at that Sunday, low humidity and a high of 80. Sunday night into Monday morning, a low of 58. And then we heat up again during the middle portion of next week with some scattered thunderstorms again late Tuesday or Wednesday. Also want to mention